most common mistake people make when they bring color into their home is when they're paying attention to trends that they might have read about or seen on Pinterest, etc., but they're not paying attention to what makes them feel good in their space and what works with their existing finishes, materials, furnishings. So very common in the past, I'd say 5 years, has been the use of gray. Everybody had to do gray. Well, sometimes gray just does not work. It's a trend that didn't work for your house with the warm countertops and the warm floor tones and the warm furniture colors and patterns, but you wanted to follow trends, you put gray in. So you don't want it to follow trend. You want to make sure that your colors support the overall look and feel that you're trying to get. And it may or may not be a trendy color, but I also will say about color is that it's very psychological. And there have been scientific studies that literally prove how us as in us humans, react to color at a psychological and even physiological level. And color is used to sometimes manipulate how someone wants us to feel or act.